Hello, this is a greeting from Brunel University of London. The purpose of this presentation is to introduce the MSc course on Advanced Mechanical Engineering offered at Brunel. I am the course director, Dr. Jun Xia. Brunel University of London is named after Isambard Brunel, who is commonly recognized as the greatest British engineer of all time. Here I present a few famous works designed and done by Brunel. On the left top corner you can see the Great Western Steamship, which is the first purpose-built transatlantic steamship. The Great Western Railway. For the Great Western Railway, Brunel was the chief engineer and the designer for GWR connecting London to Bristol. You can also see the Clifton Suspension Bridge here. On the right bottom corner, we show a photo which presents the late Queen when she visited Brunel University. So in the photo, you can see Professor Savastaso, who is our director of the Energy Institute. You can also see Professor Hua Zhao, who is the Pro-Vice Chancellor for Research of Brunel. We are a research-intensive university established in 1966. We are home to more than 2,000 international students from over 150 countries. So the total student population of Brunel is around 15,000. We are a single-site, self-contained campus, and we are a member institution of University of London, which comprises 17 institutions. For the latest rankings of Brunel Mechanical Engineering, if you look at US News, which is one of the most important authorities for university rankings, under the best global universities for mechanical engineering, we are currently number 26 in Europe and number 14 in the UK for mechanical engineering. So on this picture, we show you where we are. So we are at West London, just inside the M25 motorway, the ring road for Great London, if you like. We are very close to Heathrow Airport, which is the biggest and the busiest airport in Europe. So by car, depending on which terminal you are going, you need between 10 and 20 minutes by a car. By a bus, it's half an hour. So if you take a bus for 5 minutes, you reach a tube station, Uxbridge, and from there you need half an hour with a fast train, or with a normal train you need 40 minutes to reach Baker Street in central London. So this is a bird view of our campus. On the right bottom corner you see the main admin building where the Vice Chancellor sits. And you can also see the indoor sports center. Because of the good facilities there, national level athletes, they come for training. As mentioned, we are inside the Great London, so we are very close to London. Between 30 to 40 minutes reaching central London, between 10 to 20 minutes reaching Heathrow Airport. On the other hand, we are a self-contained campus university. Okay. So we have students from over 140 countries. About close to half of our students come from outside the UK. The statistics shown here is a few years back, but our standing is quite consistent. And here at Brunel, we see employability of our students as the first priority. This is why 95% of our courses offer a placement, including this one. So we always committed to applying learning for the real world. Brunel is known as a leading engineering university. Mechanical engineering is a specialist stream within the Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering department. Our department is one of the first departments that were formed at Brunel and one of the largest and the most successful mechanical engineering departments in the UK. We have a variety of own labs and dedicated technical and academic staff. After a brief introduction to our university, so now we come to the course. So MSc Advanced Mechanical Engineering, we offer 3 options for the course. One is a full-time 12 months, depending on when you start. We have 2 options for the course, which is September, and you also can start from January. In addition to this, we have MSc in Advanced Mechanics with internship, and the third option is with placement. So internship is 3 months, placement is 12 months. Here, I would like to draw your attention to the difference between these 3 options. So the first one is now accredited by Institution of Mechanical Engineers. I believe I don't need to introduce IMechE. For the other 2 options, the accreditation is currently in progress. For entry requirement, we ask UK 2.2 or equivalent. If you are not sure what is the degree class, you can contact our admissions office. They will help you to let you know what is your degree class. We welcome applicants whose qualification is in mechanical engineering or related disciplines. Other qualifications and relevant experience will be assessed on individual basis. We welcome applicants with enthusiasm and passion for mechanical engineering. So if your background is not on mechanical engineering, you may contact me or the admissions office. We will have a look at your transcript and decide whether or not you are suitable for this course. The English language requirements for non-native English speakers are detailed on our course webpage. A few more notes on internship and placement. So internship and placement are taken after completion of the MSc program, including the taught and the dissertation components. So basically all the teaching components are completed, and then you take either internship or placement if you are enrolled in one of these options, course options. Yeah. The responsibility for finding an internship placement lies with the student, as the university cannot guarantee any form of work experience, just the opportunity to undertake it if available. Having said that, we do have support available on the campus. For instance, the Professional Development Center, to give supervision, guidance, and support for students embarking on the placement. So if you are enrolled in either internship or placement options on the course, but if you cannot secure a placement by the end of term 2, and then you will be reverted to the full-time program. So this is the detailed course structure. So basically what you will study here. In total, you need to study 180 credits. And here you can see we have a very unique course structure available here, depending on your own interest and career objective. You can study the fluids engineering stream or the solid and structural mechanics stream. So the upper table is the modules everybody needs to take. This includes group project, dissertation. Yeah. So these two will be 90 credits. And then you have the 3 modules in the up table. Yeah. So here I use C to denote coursework, E to denote exam, to let you know how we assess the module you're learning. Yeah. So if you take the fluids engineering stream, you study all the 3 modules there in the table on the left bottom corner. If you study the solid and structural mechanics stream, you choose 3 out of 4 modules available in the right bottom corner. How do we teach and assess? We do lectures, seminars, workshops, lab sessions. This is in general for teaching modules. So the average contact hours for students is 20 per week. The assessment includes coursework and exam, as mentioned. For group project, we ask you to submit a project proposal, and then in addition to that, you will have a group submission, group report, and then your individual report and an oral presentation. So for dissertation is a report. The first 8 months, October to May, include the taught modules, and in parallel the students work on their group project. The last part of the course is dedicated to the dissertation, which is basically from May and end of May to early September. So as mentioned, half of the course is based on project work, including group project and dissertation. So for group project and dissertation, we try to train your independent research skills. In group project, teamwork is also very important. Group and individual projects are available in a variety of topics. Yeah, so we show you the list. So you can see the topics cover a wide variety of important topics in modern mechanical engineering. These are some example facilities available for group and individual projects. Battery, robot, combustion engines. For well-being and support, I will be your personal tutor, so you will be welcomed to come to talk to me on virtually anything if you wish to, not only on your study and learning. You will have a dedicated first port of call for any admin queries for your program. So this is our TOT program office. Support also available from the welfare team in the student center. You can find more information on the 2 websites indicated here. Preparation for employment. Similar to many other courses, this course also aims to create graduates with qualities and transferable skills for demanding employment in mechanical engineering industries. We greatly encourage interaction with industry. So this can be achieved from internship and placement. We have a dedicated division, which is a professional development center, to give you more advice. So these are just some example of the destinations of Brunel Master Graduates Go. This young man was the student representative for my course a few years back. He is currently employed by the UK Atomic Energy Authority in the robotics department. So this is his comments on the course. He mentioned before coming, he extensively used the CFD FEA software packages, but did not really understand how and why they worked. After studying this course, he obtained a deepened understanding on these numerical tools through learning modules. He also mentioned the student support. The university values student feedback and continue with the improvements. Daisy is from Hong Kong. This is her comments on the course. He especially mentioned this WEBAC, Women in Brunel Engineering and Computing Mentoring Program, which he enjoyed. This young lady is from Sri Lanka. So he graduated from this course last academic year, and now she is employed as a manufacturing engineer at Lufthansa. So she mentioned the modules here aligned with current industry demands. She also achieved Brunel Plus Bronze Award for extracurricular development. So this enhanced industry readiness and professional skills. This gentleman is from Thailand. He is still studying the course in the current academic year. His Brunel experience includes the instructors possessed specialized knowledge, simplifying complex concepts for effective learning. The curriculum offered flexible module choices to suit student aptitudes and interests. Opportunities for modern and challenging research, coupled with expert support, leading to high quality results. Finally, this is me. If you have any queries on the course, you are welcomed to get into contact. Hope to see you in the near future in Brunel. Bye for now.